Before you publish a book on Amazon KDP, let me share some key insights that made me over $200,000 that could save you from making costly mistakes and make lucrative ones. Trust me, these are the things that can make or break your book sales. Through my channel, I share everything I've learned so you can avoid common pitfalls and find success. Let's begin. Coloring books for kids. To make these books more successful, I recommended focusing on the following. Enhance the cover. Use bold, clear text for the title and utilize the middle section effectively, either to showcase the interior or to make the design more engaging. Explore less competitive niches. Instead of sticking to the oversaturated toddler coloring book market, find keywords and niches that are less crowded but still in demand. Learn and iterate. It's okay to start small and improve with each new project. Use this as a learning experience. I can't emphasize this enough. Reviews are essential for building credibility and driving sales. A book without reviews signals to potential buyers that it hasn't been tested or trusted. If you publish a book and then neglect to gather reviews, it's as if you've given up on it entirely. After publishing, your #1 priority should be getting reviews. There are legitimate ways to do this, and it's worth investing time in the process because reviews can make or break your sales. Key takeaways for beginners. Here's what I want you to remember. Reviews attract buyers and builds a level of trust. Make this your top priority after launching your book. Choose the right niche. Avoid oversaturated markets unless you have a unique angle. Look for niches with less competition but strong demand. Invest in design. Your cover is the first thing buyers see. Make sure your title is clear, bold, and easy to read. Start small and improve. It's okay if your first book isn't perfect. Treat it as a stepping stone and aim to do better with each new project. Publishing on Amazon KDP is a learning process, and success doesn't happen overnight. But if you take these lessons to heart, you'll set yourself up for long-term success. Use these tips, avoid the common mistakes, and keep improving. It's the best way to grow your publishing career. Hoping someone magically stumbles upon your book, buys it, and leaves glowing reviews just isn't realistic. That's not how business works, and it's certainly not how KDP works. You have to take control of the process. Don't rely solely on Amazon's algorithm. Rely on your own ability to generate reviews. Once you know the right strategies, it's not as difficult as it seems. Aim for at least 20 reviews shortly after launching your book. That will set a strong foundation for your sales and visibility. Once you've achieved that, you can focus on improving other aspects of your book. Motivational or self-help books. If your book is about helping people stop overthinking, that keyword should appear in your title. You could even spice it up slightly to differentiate it from competitors, but the core keyword needs to stay. The point is to make your book easy to discover, not to create an abstract or overly creative title that people won't search for. The importance of keyword research. This is where SEO, search engine optimization, and keyword research come in. You need to know what words and phrases your audience is typing into the Amazon search bar. By including those keywords in your title, subtitle, and description, you increase the chances of your book showing up in search results. This is an essential step that too many authors skip, but it makes a huge difference in whether your book gets noticed. Cover designs matter too. When readers are searching for self-help books on topics like overthinking or negative thinking, they expect covers that look polished, approachable, and professional. Buyers look for books that stand out. They often search for calming imagery or typography that conveys clarity and relief, which resonates with themselves. Your cover needs to appeal to this audience visually and emotionally. If your cover doesn't fit in with the best sellers in your niche, it's time for a redesign. Key takeaways for your success. Here's what you need to focus on to turn things around and make your book a success. Use search-friendly titles. Title your book using keywords your audience is actively searching for. This will make your book more discoverable. Refine your cover design. Make your cover visually appealing and relevant to the expectations of your target audience. Remember, even if you have an incredible message or idea, people won't find your book if it isn't discoverable. The goal is to help as many people as possible, and the best way to do that is to ensure your book is visible, relevant, and appealing to your target audience. When it comes to nonfiction self-help book covers, it's all about standing out while fitting in with the expectations of the niche. You don't want to completely reinvent the wheel. Instead, you want something that aligns with what's selling but also feels unique to your book. Think of it as similar but distinct. If you're struggling with cover design, it's worth investing in a professional who specializes in this space. For example, I know a designer who can create solid nonfiction and business self-help covers for around $40. A good cover is an investment that pays off in the long run. Here's the thing, no business thrives without consistent marketing. You can't just rely on Amazon's organic traffic. To truly succeed, whether that means making thousands or even tens of thousands a month, you have to learn how to market effectively. Run Amazon ads. Ads can make a big difference in getting your book in front of the right audience. With a better cover, more reviews, and a consistent marketing strategy, your book could see a dramatic increase in sales. The overarching lesson here is that success on Amazon KDP is about putting in the effort to make your book stand out. It's not just about writing a great book. It's about making sure people find it, want to click on it, and are compelled to buy it. To recap, covers matter. Invest in a design that looks professional and fits the expectations of your niche. It's the first impression people have of your book. Be searchable. Use keywords that your target audience is actively searching for. Get reviews and market. A steady stream of reviews and strategic ads can take your book from decent sales to a bestseller. It's amazing how even small improvements can yield significant results. Your book deserves to be discovered, so take these steps and you'll be well on your way to KDP success. Browsing through Amazon, I noticed something important. Clarity and precision are everything when it comes to how your book presents itself. The vagueness can make it hard for readers to feel confident about what they're getting, which in turn makes them hesitant to click Buy Now. This is why shorter, more focused descriptions and titles are essential. By identifying these specific keywords, the ones people are actively searching for, and using them in your title and subtitle, you dramatically increase your book's chances of being discovered. The image should extend to the edges, creating a seamless look that feels polished and professional. A professional cover designer could make a huge difference. For just a small investment, you can create a cover that not only stands out, but also matches the standards of your genre. This one improvement alone could elevate your book's appeal significantly. The importance of marketing. Another common issue I see is the lack of marketing effort beyond the initial launch. You probably posted about your book on social media once or twice, maybe shared it with friends and family, and got 12 reviews, which is a great start. Marketing is the lifeblood of any business, and Amazon KDP is no exception. Running Amazon ads is a game changer. It helps put your book in front of readers who are actively searching for something like it. Pair that with a concerted effort to get more reviews, and you'll start seeing real momentum. Reviews build trust, and trust drives sales. What I love about Amazon KDP is how straightforward the business model is. Compared to many other ventures, there aren't a ton of moving parts to juggle. Those are the core steps. They're not complicated, but they do require you to execute each one properly. If you can commit to doing that, the potential for earning is enormous. Reflecting on mistakes. If you're about to publish your first book, take a moment to reflect on these common mistakes. Are you falling into any of these traps? If so, now is the time to fix them. Rushing to publish without getting these basics right will likely lead to disappointing results. But if you adjust your approach and focus on these fundamentals, you can set yourself up for success. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.